The following is an unofficial English fandub of Transformers Prime. I am in no way affiliated with the original creators. All credit goes to Hasbro Takara, Robert Arcee, Alex Kurtzman, Dwayne Capizzi, Jeff Klein, and the original voice actors. Please support the official release till all are one.
Time to put a hurt on those Decepticons.
The signal is weak. It may have hit a vein, but they won't find much of an energon pulse. Not here.
I take some comfort in the fact that Megatron seems as desperate to find this stuff as we are.
Do you two always talk this much during these missions? Let's roll!
Ratchet, wait!
Yeah!
Intruders, destroy them!
It's all right. I'm an emergency vehicle. Yeah! Yeah!
Autobots attack!
Yeah!
I gotta get out of here!
Why the big rush?
Just trying to get as far as I can from the Autobot stink.
Does your boss know you have a potty mouth? Maybe I should pay him a doctor's visit.
Get melted, wheel grinder!
Melted? Oh, now there's a concept. I won't ask you a second time. Where is Megatron?
No!
Optimus!
That's all I know! Really! Let me go! Just let me go!
Now, was that so difficult?
Please, don't!
Ratchet! What are you doing?
Getting results.
And breaking protocol. That was a Decepticon minor. Servant class, not warrior class.
Oh, and let me guess. I'm just the medic.
Autobots do not inflict harm unless all other options have been exhausted. It is what separates us from the Decepticons.
Ha! Is this really the time for another lecture, Optimus? You didn't just happen to discover Megatron's current location, did you? Well, I did! And do you happen to know where there's a stockpile of raw Energon ripe for the taking? I do!
Come on, Ratchet. Calm it down.
Calm is the last thing we need. Calm is what lost us Cybertron. The Decepticons have a warship, an army, all this Energon scouting, and you think Megatron isn't gearing up for something big? We're squandering our resources chasing after his crumbs when we really need to be hitting him hard and hitting him now. Precisely where it hurts.
Initiating a direct assault on the Decepticons would only provoke further retaliation and lead to incalculable losses. I will not endanger innocent human lives.
Yet you seem to have no problem endangering ours. Just ask Cliffjumper. Oh, I forgot. He couldn't be here today.
That's it! Let me go! Let me go!
You know what's your problem, Optimus? For such a big, strong bot, you're soft. You didn't pound Megatron into scrap when you had the chance! Many chances, in fact!
I'm afraid the synthetic energon has impaired your judgment, old friend. I am confining you to base until further notice. Bumblebee, activate the ground bridge.
Fine.
I'll go ahead and check up on him.
Bulkhead!
If you don't have the manifolds to take out Megatron, then I'll kill him myself!
Ratchet, no!